Hi there, Sid here with another trade recap. Today's trade recap is going to be very short because today I took a trade. Basically, I wasted my one trade, considering that I'm still under PTT rule. So what happened is like today's stock market was not there was no good setup. So waited around like 1 hour to get into the trade, and then I found this TKAT. They are into the business of non-fungible token, and this stock has history of making big moves and within short span of time. So that's what happened. It was showing some bullish action, as you can see here. It was forming. It was making this flag formation, and based on that, I assume that okay, it's I have to jump into the trade. Waited for too long, missed this move, then FOMO kicked in. I bought 500 shares at $8.65 and sold everything at $8.66. So just made 1 cent of a profit, sorry, for 500 shares. And why that's the case is mainly because of this price action over here. And I was literally scared holding 500 shares because I bought it on this candle, and I was holding it for a few minutes, and then it dropped down, then it come back again. So I said like, okay, it's better to get out from the trade instead of waiting for too long and then lose everything, because just 20 cents drop will cost me around $100. So just imagine that, holding big size position. That's the disadvantage of holding big position with the volatile stock like this. So I ended up making just $5, no regrets, still green on the day, didn't lose any money. So I would take that anytime instead of losing more than $100 or $200 of money. As you can see, I just made a significantly tiny profit, $14.91. Obviously, that's not a whole profit. I just made $5, and I trade this stock previously. Same thing happened over there. Because of this volatility, I didn't take a risk and got out of the trade pretty early. And that's it for this video, guys. Stock market is tricky, and you just have to manage your losses, which I did today. I don't feel bad about it. At least I save myself and my account from getting wrecked with heavy losses. So that being said, thank you for watching this video. Always keep this in mind. Trading is risky. um, Learn everything, study stock market properly, and if you are not sure what to look for, then consult your financial advisor, take advice from them before investing or putting your real money on the line. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in next trade recap. Thank you and bye.